If your iPhone 14 battery is not holding a charge, it can be a source of frustration. Battery life is one of the most critical aspects of any mobile device. However, various factors can cause your iPhone battery to drain quickly or abruptly. In this video, we will show you how to fix an iPhone 14 that can't hold a charge. First solution, check the battery health. You need to check if your iPhone's battery health is good. An iPhone's battery health below 85% results in lesser standby time and faster draining. If your device scores less than 85% on maximum capacity, it signifies that the battery's integrity has been compromised and it needs replacement. To check for your iPhone's battery health, launch Settings and then tap Battery. Select Battery Health and Charging and check the maximum capacity. If it's less than 85%, then it's a battery problem and you need to have it replaced. However, if it's still more than that, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, enable optimized battery charging. The optimized battery charging feature helps reduce battery aging by learning from your daily charging patterns so as not to charge past an 80% threshold until needed. Enable it to protect your battery. To do so, you still have launch Settings. Then head to Battery, and then Battery Health and Charging. From there, you should be able to fix optimized battery charging. Just make sure the switch is green. Third solution, adjust screen brightness and timeout settings. Another helpful fix is adjusting the screen brightness and timeout settings, as overusing the screen can unnecessarily drain your battery. You may manually adjust brightness levels or turn on auto brightness for ambient light adjustment. As for timeout settings, setting a shorter duration would greatly help preserve battery power. To do these, launch Settings and tap Display and Brightness. Drag the brightness slider to a comfortable level. Then scroll down a bit and tap Screen Timeout. Now choose between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Somehow, this will have a noticeable impact on your iPhone 14's battery life, but the next one will definitely have a huge effect. Fourth solution, enable low power mode. Primarily developed with the intention of improving longevity during standby periods when charging is not available, enabling low power mode significantly conserves energy by reducing background process activity and performance frequency scale downs where possible. To do so, navigate to Settings, then select Battery. You should see low power mode, which you can toggle on. Fifth solution, factory reset your iPhone. If all else fails and you're sure it's not an aging hardware problem, consider doing a factory reset on your iPhone. This removes various digital detritus accumulated over use like bad apps or rogue settings affecting battery life even after apparent removal. But make sure to back up your personal data before doing it, as it will delete everything. To perform a factory reset, launch Settings, and then tap General. Scroll down and then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then select Erase all content and settings. Tap Continue, and then follow a few on-screen instructions to proceed. After the reset, observe your iPhone 14 closely before restoring your data, and if it still doesn't hold a charge, then you should consider having it checked by a technician. We hope that this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.